In this morning's AM briefing, I remarked and reinforced this important point. Now, in yesterday's AM briefing, I gave you the exact coordinates of the high and the low of this range. Look how well the bottom of this range played. Boom, 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 boom. Even the last minute of the day. Retest, retest, retest. I wouldn't be shorting this. And in fact, if you looked at the battle plan last night, you know there was not one mapped out short. Not one. Not one with that play already played. Okay, now we're back to looking for longs. Back to real time, George. What you're about to watch is the morning session that we did on YouTube and on Zoom. You're actually going to get to follow along with one of my traders, Jackie, who came to me as a brand new trader and is now an established, accomplished trader himself. He responded to the price action callouts, got into a trade, and added to his trade. I want you to listen and follow as I outline the price action and the potential trade ideas that exist on the chart. Of course, you are responsible for taking your own trades in your own account, your own way. If you find this type of commentary helpful, maybe you should consider joining Micros Trader and join us every morning on Zoom so that you can be on the right side of price action. Now, if we come against this trend line, it's at the half back. If we have a good move off here, I'm going to be looking to get long because we are down in the green area. All right, let's drop in time frame, see if we're going to get laddering. It's still not my favorite place, but if we got a legit level long in this, I got to take it. All right, let's go back to a 1 minute chart. Are we going to ladder? Let's go take a peek at everybody. I wished Dow had grabbed the low if we're going to ladder back up, but it's just down here at POC. Surely Dow's POC is down here, and it's just hanging out at yesterday's POC. So not a whole lot. Right at the Sunday's opening and POC. I mean, it's not really the most advantageous place to be trading, but it had a nice bounce there. Okay, let's see if we can get above here. And when bulls control and they're strong, they do not have to grab that liquidity. They don't have to do that. And they often don't. So be careful requiring that. We'll look for strength and a real level we can go long on. And look at that. Dow's having a monster bounce. NQ keeps pushing to the north. If I was to go long, I think I'd want to pull it back into here, then maybe one more time. If we pulled back in and you wanted to take this long, I would just have your out under the Sunday opening. If that pulled back in, as we said, bulls control, don't short this. Okay, there's where we had the yellow circle for a long. You wanted to take that. You're probably going to get a huge white candle here in a second. If I had to guess. There we go. Don't short this. Don't short this. Don't short this. Don't short this. Do you like that, Mario? Well, definitely the long here was the long. And there we go. It takes a while to rewire that, Mario. Right to the 82. Boom. All right, let's see if it comes up to here. Now, nothing wrong with TP and something there, Jackie. So if you had 3 contracts, take one off there if you wanted, but I think it's going to come here. What do I know? All right, so if your stop is behind that strong level, Jackie, let it go, go, go. And who knows, this could be great, especially if we can get up over the range. If we can get up over the range, yeah, I want you to add at 95 if it gets over 95. All right, get up there for Jackie now. You got everything on your side. The biggest magnet to the north is 7 points away. We broke out of range. So Jackie added at 95 as we pre-planned earlier today. It finally got there. Touch and go. The P&L is looking juicy. Make sure you take a screenshot. Yeah, we were on the right side of it. We weren't trying to short it, then short it, then short it, then short it. We were on the right side of price action. That's, if we can look for the right trades on the right side of price action over the week, month, year, we're going to do great. Be on the lookout for the next set of entries that will be published tonight at microstrader.com under Battle Plan.